guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to cook squid, octopusy, squid, whatever you want to call it, in like a lemony garlicky sauce. It's amazing. Oh Jay, you need to go out. One sec. There you go. Okay, right. Two types of squid you can buy. Jake, two types of squid you can buy. You can buy the frozen one, which is probably what I would have gone for if I could find it in the shop. They didn't have it in the one I went to. I couldn't be bothered to go traipsing around looking for it. The only one they had was the fresh one, and this is it. Ugh. Looks horrible, doesn't it? It's not very nice to gut. I'm going to have to gut this one, unfortunately, which I'll show you how to do it. But to make it easier, I would recommend just buying ready-made frozen ones. They're usually smaller. They are always smaller, but they're already done for you. You just get the tube and you get the legs, the tentacles, whatever you want to call it. So I'll show you how to gut this. Oh God, my hands stink. Anyway, actually, I was going to mention something else. Notice something different about my kitchen. It's white. Well, not my kitchen, it's Cara's kitchen, but still, it's white. I've changed it. It was brown, but we thought the kitchen's really good. It's in excellent condition. Why don't we do something a bit different? And we didn't like the brown one, so we thought, let's just paint it. How much are you going to spend replacing a kitchen? 10, 15,000 pounds? When the kitchen was actually fine. So what we've done is just replaced, just painted it. Brilliant. So much easier. And it looks brilliant, doesn't it? Well, I think it looks really good. What do you reckon? You impressed? Cara was very impressed with it. She was bottling it actually. She wasn't sure whether to do it or not, because once you start painting, that's it. There's no turning back. But yeah, it looks alright. I think it looks really nice. It looks like a completely different kitchen if you think about it. All the panels changed. It's really nice. Hope you liked it. Another thing I forgot to mention, I'm going to mention now, Jake's had his hair cut. Let's see if we can find him. And I'm going to show you what he looks like. Went for a walk this morning. Where is he? Jake! Say hello to everybody. Hello. Did you go for a walk earlier? Yes. Say hello to the camera. Yeah, he's had a haircut. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, so he's had a haircut and he looks completely different. So we took him for a walk. He's really good now. Aren't you, Jake? You're a good boy. I'm sure he'll be making an appearance a bit later as I start cooking. First thing you got to do is separate the cone bit from the face or whatever it is. Ugh. Ugh. It's disgusting. Once you've done that, you cut the... Oh, Jesus Christ. You basically cut it from above the head, so it's like the hairline. See that? Eyes are there. Top bit's there. Just cut it there. It's basically where its mouth is. This lot you throw away. Ew. And inside it you've got basically its mouth there, which you pull out. It's like a ball or something. Ugh. Then inside it's got like a clear spine type thing there. Look. See that? God. Oh my God, it's disgusting in there. Right, now we're going to need to get a spoon. I don't even want to touch anything. Jeez. My Cara's going to go absolutely ape. Last time I did this, I stunk. I must have touched everything in the kitchen. Now I've got to try not to. But to get a spoon, just empty the insides out. It's not as bad as it looks, to be honest with you. Once you've done it a couple of times, take whatever's left of the skin off. See that skin? Just peel it off. You can scrape it off with a knife. Just make sure everything inside is emptied as well. Give it a good scrape out. Oh Jake, you really don't want this. It's not the state it's in at the moment. Wait until I cook it, you're going to love it. So what you've got is two pieces like this. What I'll do now is wash it under the tap. So give me a second, I'll open it up, put some water in it and just give it a wash. Chop up the parsley and the garlic. Let's say here's all the ingredients we're going to have. It's going to be lemon, 2 lemons, 5, 6 garlic cloves, parsley, bunch of parsley, and about 50 to 75 grams of butter. 50 to 75. It's up to you how much you want to put in there. I've got about 50 here, but I might put a little bit extra on. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so first we chop up the parsley. Chop parsley. Now we chop the garlic. I say 2, 4. I've got 6 cloves here. You can do a bit less, a bit more. The more the better, I think. Nice and strong garlicky taste. Goes really well with the butter and the lemon. Oof, can't wait. We're going to be eating this tonight. I've specifically made it for Cara. Special treat tonight. Ah, I know what I forgot. I forgot to mention something. Hold on, where is it? Other thing we need. Jeez, how can I forget this? Oh, such a donkey. Right. White wine. We need white wine. We need about, here we go, let's see how much we need. Actually, half a cup. Mustn't forget this. White wine. I've got Pinot Grigio, but any white wine will do. There we go. Put the white wine to one side. Might need a little bit more actually. Might put a bit more, let's see. And you need another glass as well. Here. So you put half a glass, half a cup for the squid. Oh, open the lid. And then what you got to do is put another glass for yourself. Cheers. Oh, lovely. Lovely, lovely. Okay, so we carry on chopping now. It's quite nice. Okay, we've chopped up all the parsley and the garlic. So basically we've got garlic, parsley, lemon, butter, and half a cup of white wine. Okay, first now what we have to do is get the squid and basically scorch some lines into it so that it can go, so the sauce can go through into the tube. Okay, so you scorch lines, you put lines all the way down, it basically can go through there, you see? Okay, basically we start by putting some olive oil in the pan. Medium heat, let's warm it up. Won't take long to warm up. And it's going to be amazing. Cara's going to love this. She's had it before and she was amazed by it. Reasonably low to medium heat. And we're going to put the squid in, just make sure there's no more water in it. Sizzle, sizzle. There we go. Okay, it's been cooking for a few minutes on one side. As I say, I'm not an expert cook, but what I do is try and create things that are simple as possible, but really have a proper impact on taste. And something like this does exactly that. You know, I've seen these in restaurants and they cost a fortune. You know, I'm not paying 6 squid for each one. 6 squid. Did I do that joke earlier? I don't think I did. 6 squid. That's all they were. Oh, not very good. Anyway, right, I'll turn it over now. Okay, it's been cooking for about 5-7 minutes. Now it's time to just take it off the griddle. That's pretty much 3/4 of the way cooked, really. Don't want to cook it too much because then it gets really chewy. We'll put the butter in. There you go. Put 2 butters done. Then we'll put some garlic in it. All the garlic is fine. Now you add the white wine. Oh god, it smells lovely. Okay, it's been simmering for, is it working, recording? Yeah. Yeah, simmering for a few minutes now. We can add the rest of the butter. Lemon juice, 2 lemons. Okay, it's been simmering again for a few minutes. Now we return the squid back to the pan. There we go. Again, just leave it for a little while, just watching it, make sure it doesn't burn. Jake's joined me. Hello, Jakey. Oh, I love you. Don't worry, I'll wash my hands before I carry on. And it's simmering there nicely. You want some, Jake? You want some? I'll give it to you. Say hello to the camera. Love you. Okay. Almost there. Okay, pretty much there now. If you look at this nice red colour, add some of the parsley, well, 3/4 of the parsley, I would say.
Here we go. Hello, Poopies. What's this? Drink from the job.
Oh yes. Okay, we're pretty much done now. So I'll just put it on the plate. There we go. So simple. A little bit of the sauce on it as well. There we go. Taking it off. Parsley, there we go. Done. What do you reckon? Not bad, eh? Jake, you there? You want some? I bet you do. Anyway, that's it. See how simple it was? It is amazing. You paid probably £30 per head for something like this in a restaurant, if not more. And it's just so simple to make, as you saw how easy it was for me to do. Yeah, my battery's running out on my flipping phone. Silly thing. I'll pull it out. Yeah, it's all done. Perfect squid with garlic, butter, lemon. It's just delicious. There we go. Hope you're impressed. There we go. So that was that. Nice and simple. And if you liked it, please subscribe, like it, comment, because Jake wants you to be our friend. You stay away from that food. And hope to see you again soon. Take care. See you. Bye. Bye.